Okay, so we're gonna put this slime in the back. You have to, okay. You have to put the slime in the water for like half a minute. No, like for a kind of long time, right?
Yeah.
Because if you don't, that would be like, it won't work.
Yeah.
So that's what we have to.
Like it's gel, right?
It's kind of like a real slime. I'll show you it right now again. Okay, let's go to the picnic table. I'm gonna win you. First, sitting down.
I'm pretending I'm sitting down.
Oh, you have to sit down there.
I'm sitting right here.
But you have to be here.
I really?
Yeah, we're gonna feel the slime. Whoa, what happened to the slime?
Can I play?
Only this bit.
Okay.
There's a little. Okay, while she's playing it, I'll explain everything. Okay. Okay. Sorry.
Look!
Okay.
Oh,
you have to put
guys,
this
look,
slime.
it's very big.
I know. This slime, you have to put it in the water. Well, in these kind of bags for like kind of a half long time. I already told you that. So, wow, that looks like water. See right there, doesn't it? Comment down below if it looks like water.
Do you have water down below? Is everybody?
It looks like water, literally. Literally, it looks like water.
It's not water, it's slime.
Oh, God dang it.
No.
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 It's mine. Duh.
You're being like an angel now.
When is Dad gonna
I
come?
don't fucking know.
Because I'm gonna make a swing.
Or not.
I am.
The tire over there?
Yeah.
Because they just got the freaking tire for no reason.
How? If my dad has to come here.
And what if no one can fit in there like you? You gotta stick your head out like that.
I can.
Wait, you stupid whore! If you do it the other way, like this way. Some tennis. Oh shit! This is real tennis now. But we need a fucking
If you lose this ball, I'll be
Well, you're not.
we need another tennis racket.
Oh, okay.
They have one, but who's them?
Yeah, the slime. I'm gonna make a swing with
Okay, go
that
give me.
tire.
If you want to play. You want me to lose it or not?
No.
I'm sorry if they say that.
Yeet.
That's my brother.
That's my brother.
That's her brother.
Hey!
Ew!
They didn't eat it anyways.
Don't.
You cannot eat it. I'm telling you right now, you cannot eat this slime because it has glue and detergent and laundry detergent, liquid laundry detergent. So yeah,
Brother's good.
don't do that.
Oh, yep.
Don't eat it.
Oh, gosh.
So don't eat the slime.
Whoa.
I'm telling you, don't if you're babysitting, don't let the kids eat the
the slime.
slime if they're babies. Maybe you don't have to.
You have
give.
to. You could hide them.
How can you hide them? Why would you hide the kid?
No, I mean the slime.
Oh, okay.
You could really do. Look at my slime. I'm mixing it to let it go. It's like
You're making it liquid. Do you know that?
huh?
You're making it liquid.
The
Sometimes it can turn liquidy. Like hers right now.
This looks like hen.
Oh.
A watermelon. This looks like when you put in your hair to make it straight like mine. See it?
Yeah, it's not straight.
Yeah. And top it is right.
Okay. Can you grab it for a little?
Oh.
Please, for a little. No. I can't let you grab it. Okay, here's a trick. Actually, yesterday I went to okay. Yeah, I'm finished with the top. Oh no!
Oh,
No, leave it.
amazing.
Stop.
I'm going to put it back here.
Don't leave it. Leave it all. Okay. I'm sorry for that.